In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and share folders in Outlook. We'll be working in the classic Outlook desktop app, and by the end you'll know how to organize your mailbox with a custom folder, and safely share it with colleagues using the built-in permissions. Start by creating the folder you want to share. In the folder pane on the left, locate your email account name. Right. Click the email address itself, then choose New Folder. A new folder will appear in your list, ready to be named. Type a clear, descriptive name so you and your recipients instantly know what belongs there. Like team reports or project files. Good naming now saves confusion later. With the folder created, it's time to share it. Right. Click the folder you just made and select Properties. In the window that opens, switch to the Permissions tab. This is where you control exactly who can see and do what with the folder. Click Add to open your address book. Search for and select the person or people you want to share the folder with. Then click Add to include them and OK to return to the Permissions window. You'll now see their names listed for this folder. Next, set what they're allowed to do. Use the permission level drop-down to choose the right access. If you want them to only view items, select a Read Only level. If they need to add or modify items, pick an edit level. If someone needs complete control over the folder, including changing permissions, choose Owner Level Access. When possible, grant the least access necessary to keep your data safe while enabling collaboration. Make sure the Folder Visible option is checked. This is essential. Without it, even authorized people won't be able to see the folder in their Outlook. Folder Visible doesn't grant content access by itself, it simply lets the folder appear for the people you've added, while the permission level determines what they can do inside it. Once everything looks right, click OK to apply your changes. That's it. Your folder now exists, and the people you selected have the access you chose. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.